So last year I posted a video on my friend channel titled Why I'm Investing on Nvidia. And that was a series of video about AI and how it was going to change the world. So if you're interested, and if you speak French or you understand French or you want to learn French, I suggest you subscribe to my friend channel. The link will be in the description. At the time, Nvidia was around $300. Today, we almost reached $1,000. As you can see here, we went as high as $975. And if it was not for that report, the job report, where we learned that there was more jobs created, but at the same time, the unemployment rate increased too. So it was kind of a mixed bag for this news. So the first news was kind of a bad news for the market, because the economy is creating more jobs, which means that the Fed might not be more willing to the rates, the interest rates. But the second news, that the unemployment rate is going higher, 3.9%, as opposed to 3.7 in the previous month. We could have thought that that was more like a good news for the market, because the Fed would confirm what the market expects, meaning the rate cut. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. What matters here is that Nvidia is going crazy. And as you can see here, this is January 2024. It's skyrocketing. It's insane. Don't even mind this. I mean, it's just for fun. In just over, you could say in 2 months, for a company like Nvidia. So I hear more and more about a stock split, which would make sense. I would imagine a ratio of 1 to 10. If we reach 1,000, the Nvidia stock would be at around $100, which would encourage more retail investors into getting into the stock, which is kind of weird when you think about it, because at the end of the day, whether you buy a one share at $1,000 or 10 shares at $100 each, it's the same. But psychologically, a split is always, bringing more investors to the stock, which is smart. I mean, even when you think about it, $1,000 is a lot of money for a lot of people. And somehow people don't want to see in their portfolio having one line with one share. How many shares do I? Oh, I have 1 share of Nvidia. People are like, no, I want 10 shares of Nvidia, even if it's the same amount of money at the end of the day. So is it going to keep going higher to what? $1,500, $2,000? The thing is, as long as there is no competition, why not? Why the stock would not rise to $1,500 and be the second biggest company on earth, even before Apple? Could be. If the demand for chips, AI chips, is growing, the company will definitely become the biggest company on earth. We expect other companies like AMD, Intel, maybe Qualcomm or others to at some point release something that is as efficient as Nvidia. Or even if it's not as efficient, at least good enough to have your AI running. That's what the market wants. So that's why people invest in Nvidia. From here, I think things are probably going to start to cool down, because that's more than a $2 trillion company. And I can't imagine the stock price to double, like to make another 100%. That would be insane. That would make the company like a $5 trillion company. Why not? But I don't think so. I see more like some kind of a range from now. And again, I suspect other companies are working their ass off to be able to catch up. Hopefully they do, because competition is good. Always. All right, thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.